Hello guys, welcome again to Earn Money at Home Worldwide, and right now we will discuss about TradingView. So this will be a tutorial and how to use TradingView. So TradingView is a chart tool used by the traders. So if you want to read graphs, you want to understand candles and have a drawing on it, and have a technical analysis in trading into stocks, commodities, forex, or in crypto, TradingView is the best chart tool that we can do. So what you need to do is just visit tradingview.com/. I have a link below that you can register through TradingView. Okay, so I'll do now the tutorial and do the share screen of the TradingView. So this is a TradingView, guys. So tradingview.com. Okay, so first of all, this is a chart actually of, we'll move to Bitcoin. Okay, we'll move to Bitcoin. So there is an update actually of, this is a real time of Binance, Bitcoin, Tether US pair. Okay, so you can see all the commodities, all the chart here. So you can add your favorite list on the right side. Okay, for example, here you want to add about stocks, futures, you're trading in Nasdaq, you're trading in NSE, okay, in the stocks, or if you want forex, okay, crypto. So you can just add, just click the button here, the plus button. I'll give you one example. We'll go to forex, okay, euro, Australian dollar. I click the plus sign and it will be now on my favorite list. And also this favorite list, you can export it. So you can just save it, import again this list whenever TradingView. And later on, we will discuss about the registration and TradingView and how can we get a free access in TradingView, since this is a paid actually chart tool. There is also a free version, but very minimal indicator that you can save. Later on, I will tell you the details. So now, what are the tools? This is the toolbox. We have the toolbox on the left side. So this is the tools, like this is our cursor actually, the cross. You can see the cross here. We have also a dot. We have an arrow or eraser, whatever you need. Normally, I'm doing the cross because I can see the horizontal line here and the vertical line. So I will know which date. For example, this is the date. Okay, which date is this? This is February 9. So this candle is February 9. Now, the time frame, you can see here the different time frame and you can add whatever you want, or the star means you can add it to your favorites. Once it is in the favorite, it will appear here on the upper panel of TradingView. Again, another one. So we have, normally I'm using the trend line and arrow. So I put a favorite also from here. And once you do a lot of, you mark some indicators in your favorites, it will come on the shortcut panel. Okay, so this is our shortcut panel. So normally I'm doing the text, okay, here, okay. So this is the sample of typing a text in TradingView. So if you have a comments on this side. Now, the different type of candles, we have Heiken-Ashi candles. Okay, we have the normal candles and the hollow candles. And here is the indicator. If you want to add indicator, just for example, right now, we will add MACD. Add it to your favorites, moving average, convergence, divergence, and it will be like this one. Now, I like 5 MA. And this will be the moving average. Okay, and right now I want to add additional, uh, like for example, RSI. So the RSI, Relative Strength Index, and this is now my RSI. So this is the indicators and metric strategies. Now, this is one of the important. You want to save a template of your indicators. You have to use this one and save indicator template. As you can see, I have a lot of indicator templates with the favorites, which will show here. So it will show different strategy that you use of different indicator. Okay, I have Market Cipher, I have Smart Money, I have my own personal assassin strategy, which I teach to my student. Okay, so this is one of my personal mentoring classes for everyone who are interested to learn in trading through Zoom. Okay, so now we have also the bar replay, which is available for all paid one. So right before I have a premium, then I stop for a while, and then I use a Pro, subscribe in Pro Plus. Okay, in Pro. Okay, now for if you want to share also the snapshot of your technical analysis, you can use here. Even for Twitter, tweet charge image, you can use here. You can use this one. And to publish, there is a community also here, which will I discuss later on about the community. So technically, this is the tools that we are using. We have the fib retracement, other tools, the brush. Okay, so you can draw here. So you just need to explore this. This is like a Photoshop, which there is a toolbox on the left side, and you can use all of the toolbox. Even the Elliott wave, if you know the Elliott wave impulse, it's here. Okay, similar like this. Okay, you can draw a line of Elliott wave here. So this is the trading view. This will help you in your technical analysis. Now, we can go now to another discussion about the trading view. In TradingView, there is also a news. Okay, you can get a news from the market, what's happening on FOREX or in crypto. Okay, so you can just go in tradingview.com and or this one, because if you want to go to the chart a while ago that we are looking, just click chart, but you cannot go back. You cannot see the panel of news, the communities. Now, the advantage of communities in editors pick and ideas, if you already know technical analysis or you want to know more about technical analysis and the analysis of other pro traders in the market about what's happening in Bitcoin, in USDT, you can just go here. For example, I'm in community editor picks script BTC. There is a lot of technical analysis from other pro traders that you can see on the communities. Like for this one, Urich Bishko, he's a premium user and he have already a follower of 68,000. So he's one of the best and most followed here in TradingView. And you can see his technical analysis here and his explanation below about what's happening to Bitcoin and his technical analysis. So this is the good part if you are really into trading. You by having an account in TradingView. So I suggest actually guys to have a paid at least 1 year of TradingView or subscribe for 1 month to try the TradingView. But of course, if you don't know or if you don't have that much or you just want a free access, you can do also a free access in TradingView. So now, I hope you are now familiar with our chart tool, with our TradingView, the candles, how to add indicator. So now we will move to the other part of TradingView. Okay, so I'll go now to new window. I have to go to here to do. So I'm now here on the TradingView. Now, for example, you are not yet signed up. You can try for 30 days. Okay, just try 30 days, and you have to sign in to your Google account or Facebook or Twitter or Yahoo or any other, or by your email. You can go by itself. The good thing there is what you can do in TradingView. Okay, so it is in the pricing. Okay. Now you can try free for 30 days in TradingView, but you have to enter your debit or credit card number here. And only after 30 days, they will charge you of the monthly or the annual payment. So some people just use the 30 days and do the saving of the indicator template. Okay, so you can have now an indicator template during the trial and save it as long as many indicators. Why? Because as we all know, as you remember, okay, in TradingView there is a limit of the indicators. We have 3 only for the free one, okay, but 5 indicators for the Pro. For the Pro Plus, we have 10 indicators. But if you are in the trial, you can use these 10 indicators or 25 indicators. But you have to enter your credit card. But to be honest, I suggest if you are really a trader, subscribe in TradingView. Why? One of the advantage of TradingView is the replay, which you cannot found in the pre account. If you're doing a presentation or something like this one, a replay of what will happen. So if you're doing a technical analysis, it will play. You can do the bar replay. Aside from that, the time frame is very important in the traders. We have a default time frame for the pre subscriber, okay, and limited only. But once you are paid one and subscribe in TradingView, you can do different time frame. We have a lot of secret time frame that normally we use like 30 minutes. There is no 10 minutes in a free TradingView subscription. So that's it. So that is the importance of subscription here in TradingView. But if you want a pre-access, it's okay. You can do it as well. So I hope this tutorial helped you a lot to learn more about the TradingView. Again, thank you again, guys, for watching here at Earn Money at Home Worldwide, and I hope you enjoy the video tutorial about TradingView.